Hello my creative friends, welcome to Fatema's Art Show. My name is Fatema Al-Alawi and today I'm going to show you what you can make with cardboard. Idea number one came from a time where our TV wasn't working and the children got really creative and surprised me and created their very own TV. So I thought of this idea and I wanted to share this with you because you can create, the children can create their very own television. Just so switch off the actual television and get them to create their very own using a box. Also it reminds me of one time where my son made a puppet show as part of a school project. He got a box and he made a lovely little puppet theatre. So yeah, so that's the idea. Create a theatre or a TV or some sort of entertainment by just using a box. It's a wonderful idea. Idea number two, scenery. You can create some amazing scenery by using cardboard, and my children have used cardboard to create scenery for their homework. And here I'm just going to show you a few. So you've got some lovely scenery and of some mountains and trees. And my daughter really enjoyed painting the cardboard and cutting out the shape. And the main thing is that I just let her get on with it and do it herself. And she was the artist in this. And also my son, he made himself his own island and also combined some natural materials onto the cardboard, which was lovely. And yeah, he just had fun doing it. And also using glue gun to stick different pieces onto the card is amazing as well, and it will keep it nice and strong. And that's idea number two. Idea number three is you don't even need to think of an actual project to do with children in terms of cardboard. They can just be exploring the card, stepping on it, tearing it. It's kind of a sensory experience and going through all the different layers and what it reminds them of. So sometimes you can just, if you've got like an IKEA order or you've got loads of spare cardboard, you can just place it in the center of the room and get the children to explore it. They might create something, so maybe place some resources, some different materials and pens and papers, but just let them explore the actual card. And I think just that idea is a nice idea. Also, if you've got large pieces of cardboard, they can build their own house and den, and children love this. They love creating their own space, and my children created their own house or den, and they had fun with it. Even the cat got involved and played with them inside it, and it was wonderful. And they placed some cushions inside, so it was nice and soft as well inside, and it was a lovely sort of enclosed space that they could go inside. So that was really nice. Idea number five, and oh my god, I've just got so much ideas, but I've tried to narrow it down to five. Idea number five is they can create their very own map or their own world using just pens, felt tip pens, and they can draw out the roads and they can draw out the houses, and they can place some toys in there, so like toy cars where they can actually play with them. I have to also say that my cat really enjoyed playing with the cars and going inside the cardboard. Really enjoyed that, and it's just a wonderful thing to do because they can create their very own world. And a lot of video gaming is going around down that direction of creating their own space and coding and all of that. So it's great that you can actually physically do it, again closing the gadgets and being able to actually use a pen and actually hand draw a whole world, universe, planets, whatever they would like onto card. And of course they can use cardboard for absolutely anything. They can just explore, and you'll be surprised what children can create with cardboard. It's such a fantastic material to use. So I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.